Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very different video. It's going to be like an unboxing slash squishy collection. Let's get started. So today I'm going to be showing you some of my unicorn squishies. These were the ones that were at the very top of my bin. I did not dig too far. And I have more. This is just, like I said, the beginning. So if you like videos like this, let me know so that I can do some more. So this is a squishy cake, and when I first got this squishy, it pretty much was uncommon. They used to run like $15, and now I'm sure that you can find them for a lot cheaper. I do love the gold detail in this. I love that it has it in the ears. I love the lightness of the flowers. I feel like that pink, light pink, it's very elegant, and the gold, and I love the details in the bottom of the scalloping also. You see, I have a smaller one, and it's very cute too. I also like this pink, but it's not as detailed as the other one. You see that the horn and the ears, they're like a brownish, and the scallops are not gold like the other one. I will tell you that when it comes to squishiness, I feel like the bigger your squishies get, the less squishy they become. So I do think that the smaller one it's more slow rising than the bigger one. But oh, this one's a new one. This one is a mermaid unicorn dragon. That's what I'm calling it. It's by Cutie Creative, and I think that mermaids and unicorns have been my favorite thing in the world like forever. And so this combines like the two plus a dragon. So what can be better than this, you know? I love the colors, you know, I love the simple design, but it's so cute. So it's very slow rising, and I think they did a really good job with it. It's new. I'm opening it finally now, and one of my favorites, definitely. Now these are more comments. I think I have opened some of these or similar. I have these in about 8 colors. This one is, I don't know if it's supposed to be like a galaxy here or something, because it does have the pinkish and the purples and the blues. But it's very slow rising, and I do have them in a lot of different colors though. So in this package, they're a lot brighter, the colors, and I got this horse, and it's also new, but it has more of those bright colors, and I do love that pink detail in the cheeks, which the other one doesn't have. The other one has a phone strap, which is great because you can hang it on your backpack or you know, on your cell phone. Maybe not this one because it's so large, but this next one is this is like it reminds me of like Hey Diddle Diddle because of the moon and the unicorn jumping over it or hugging it. I don't know. I have this in like 4 colors, but this one is my favorite. This yellow one is like, it has this like pearlescent finish. It's like shimmery, so I do love that. It has I feel like unicorn scorn should be like that shiny, like that diamondy finish. It's super cute. I also have it in like pink and blue, and I have it in regular yellow. This one is like the matte version, and the colors are a lot harsher. You see, it's just that shimmer that the first one has. It's just, I feel like it makes it so much cuter. Okay, so you see that I usually keep my squishies in either their original packaging or in Ziploc bags or in plastic bags. And this is because, as you've seen from other videos, you probably already know that I have 2 beagles, and I would hate for them to get dirty or hairy. I like to keep them clean. This one I love. This one reminds me of like a puppy because of the way that it's sitting. I feel like it's adorable. He's just sitting like a good little unicorn. And I also like that, once again, the horn has that golden color. It doesn't have hair, which is a little weird to me, but it does have like those really colorful bangs. So, hey. This one is like the emoji kind of look. It had a lot of imperfections. This one is one of the cheaper squishies. And it just, the eyes are not perfect. You can see that the seams are not, as nice as other higher quality squishies, but it's still slow rising. I hate the horn because it's like pink. I don't know what's going on there, but it is very, very soft. This one is another one that's like, I love these. Unicorn kitty, like cutie kitty or caticorn or however you want to call it. He's adorable. It reminds me of that Snapchat filter where you like, if you open your mouth, like a rainbow would just kind of like drop out. I don't know. That to me, when I see it, it's every time what I think about. It is very slow rising and I love the colors. This one, the other unicorn was also in that package. And then this unicorn donut, I love. Like they're all in the same color scheme, but I love it. I love the gold. I love that it looks just like that viral cake. Like I feel like people make donuts to look exactly like this. Like I feel like that, a lot of the squishies that come in like donut form, you're like, that could never be an actual donut. I feel like this could be an actual donut. In fact, I might remake this and make it into a donut. Because it looks exactly, it looks exactly like things that people create. So this one is pink and the horn is green. Yeah, and I don't know why. The hoofs are like purple. I love the eyeball. And this is also new. And I love the sparkle, the little star, the reflection. I feel like it's adorable. This one, okay. So when I first got this one also it was pretty uncommon. I feel like it's a lot more common now, but it has like a lot of imperfections. I do like the fact that the hair is like the galaxy color scheme and it has like little speckles, and I love the stars and the horn and that he looks like a little pony Pegasus thing with the little wings. I think this is very different. It kind of looks like the more common squishies, but not. It's different. It's whiter. It can actually stand on its own. So I loved it. I loved it from the moment that I saw it. I just wish it was a little bit more clean in the seams. I don't know how I feel about this squishy. Okay, it's like a little fat baby horse, right? I love the eyes again because, like I was just saying, with the pink horse, it has like that glimmer and that shimmer. But I do love also the little ears. They have a heart detail, the little bow, and all the colors are so soft. It's just like the make of it. It's awkward. I look at it and it looks a little awkward. I can't put my finger on what it is, but okay, this guy I love. If I had to pick one, he is it. He's the one. He's the one. He's like my soulmate. Look at his face. He's like, why am I in a cupcake? Okay, why am I like a mermaid unicorn cupcake thing? Like, this is ridiculous. Like, he can't even believe the concept himself. So I love that. And I love that he's squishy and slow rising. This one might be a little cuter just because he's like an ice cream cone and he's like happy, but the expression on the other one, I'm just like my spirit animal. He's my spirit animal. An angry unicorn mermaid. That's me. And then these ones are not exactly like, I mean, they are unicorn, but not really. Like, I mean, you're like a cone. You're like a whale cone unicorn. I'm sure it has a name. So please let me know what it is. But, I don't feel like when I look at it, I'm not like, oh, unicorn. I mean, it is because of the horn, but not much else. I have two of these and I have it in two different sizes. Like this is the larger one. And the same goes for this. I also have this in a smaller size. Now this one, oh my goodness. The poor thing, the horn is about to come off. It's a little much older than the other ones. I don't like the fact that the paint is not the greatest. It has tears, which is not the case for other ones that I have squeezed more. And the eyes were a little out of place, so not one of my favorites. But I do also have it in a different size, and they're pretty similar. So there's some of my unicorn squishies. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.